What is up, guys? Logan here again with another video coming at you. We're going to look over another company today, review them, take a look at them, and see what we got in store. So I appreciate all the support. If you guys could please leave a like below and a comment on this video, it would help the channel out greatly. And I can't thank you guys enough for all the support as we just crossed 7,000 subscribers. So I really appreciate that, and let's get right into this video about this neuroscience stock. So if we take a look right here, Neuro1 is the company. The brain electrodes may revolutionize neurology and generate billions in revenue. Innovative technology has Neuro1 Medical Technologies, ticker on the OTC is NMTC, potentially primed to save lives and alter neurology. Neuro1 Medical Technologies is a company as impressive as anyone to revolutionize neurology and save lives with its portfolio of next generation products. Neuro1 offers high definition, minimally invasive solutions for EEG recording, brain stimulation, and ablation solutions for patients suffering from epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, dystonia, essential tremors, and chronic pain to failed back surgeries and other related neurological disorders. We have this quote here with the picture that says, "Nothing's more incredible for the human spirit than seeing unmet medical needs get solved by some of medicine's biggest minds." Why Neuro1 seems to be generating significant attention is its recent development and distribution agreement with Zimmer Biomet. Zimmer Biomet is a well-established and leading medical device manufacturer. Under the terms of agreement, Zimmer Biomet has exclusive global rights to distribute Neuro1's EVO patented electrode technology. Neuro1's EVO technology is intended for recording, monitoring, and stimulating brain tissue for up to 30 days, but it generally has the potential to change the landscape of neurosurgical procedures with sophisticated automated manufacturing processes, a thin film lightweight design, high resolution capabilities. EVO products are expected to complement Zimmer Biomet's ROSA One platform. And right before we talk about what Dave Rosa has to say, I just want to say this is really impressive. This is really impressive. And I know a lot of people who also suffer from epilepsy. So I'm excited to learn more about this product that they're talking about, and then also their partnership with Zimmer Biomet. So Dave Rosa says, "We're extremely proud to partner with Zimmer Biomet, one of the world's most highly respected medical device manufacturers and a worldwide leader in robotic technology used for a variety of orthopedic and minimal invasive neurosurgical procedures. I believe this collaborative partnership will allow us to more quickly and efficiently penetrate the market while focusing our resources on the pursuit of additional applications of our technology." The arrangement already looks to be off to a successful start. Under the agreement, Zimmer Biomet offered the potential for Neuro1 to earn back end milestone payments if certain events were met within a specified time frame. Weeks ago, Neuro1 successfully seemed to complete the first performance and development milestone in the agreement. Biotech is such a fascinating sector, which I agree. We can see revolutionary innovations solve problems in real time. I mean, haven't you seen our health innovations make remarkable discoveries in record time over the past year? But outside of figuring out this current health predicament, we could have another critical health issue to solve: improving electrode technology for neurological disorders. This appears to not only be an unmet medical need, but a potentially lucrative area that could save lives. The brain electrode recording market's current value could be roughly $140 million. It could also grow at a CAGR of about 4.5% through 2025. Think of the other potentially lucrative areas brain electrodes could disrupt too. The spinal cord stimulation market could grow to about $3.24 billion by 2024 at an estimated 7.5%. The deep brain stimulation market could grow from about $500 million to nearly $6 billion. But beyond the technologies, just think of the potential treatments it could aid in and conditions it could improve. Electrode technology is so crucial to these treatments. It could have the potential to generate about $5 billion for epilepsy surgery and nearly $240 million for the brain tumor IOM market. So let's zoom in and take a look at these charts that they have right here with the epilepsy market prevalence. We have 3.4 million people with epilepsy, 1 million people with refractory epilepsy, and 700,000 people are surgical candidates for it. We also have the brain tumor market prevalence. We also have over here epilepsy surgery market potential as far as the monetary value. You see, despite enormous advances in therapeutics and surgical options over the last few decades, electrode technology for these debilitating neurological disorders has not seen significant improvements. Most companies out there with current technologies are so focused on the software and hardware but have neglected electrode improvements. The current commercial approved electrode technology in the US appear to they have limited resolution, they require multiple surgeries, present the inability to be placed minimally invasively. Oh man, that's just tons of the downfalls of the current commercial approved technologies in the US for it. For example, physicians appear to have significant goals and requirements for the new electrode technologies with such an unmet need, less invasive surgeries, improved surgical outcomes, and better mapping technology for OTC. So let's take a look at their technical charts real quick. So the NMTC stock appeared to hit a low point on November 16, 2020 at roughly 83 cents, while peaking at about $4.50 on February 8th. This net the stock a return of approximately 442%. Although the stock seemed to decline when broader markets got rocked in the second half of February, I got rocked too. It did a healthy reversal from a technical standpoint after seeing a 1 month low of approximately $2 a share at the end of February. Seems to have trended positively towards a stock price of roughly $2.64. Good for a return of nearly 32%. We can zoom in on this as well if you guys want to see where it crossed. Let's see, what is that? The 200-day moving average and the 50 crossed, which really made them shoot up all the way to 450, and now they're pulling back and testing the 50-day right now. Pretty solid 32% return too after crossing. That's awesome. Taking a look at the charts here. The low back in November, and it got over the 50, got over the 200, then they crossed. Pretty bullish right there. If the company continues to progress in multiple markets with lucrative potential, continues helping physicians, and provides revolutionary solutions for advanced neurologic medical needs, it would not be surprising if you see further momentum. And it also shows some of the indicators on that chart as well above, as you guys can see. We discussed this earlier, that Neuro One Medical Technologies Corporation is an innovator committed to providing high definition, minimally invasive solutions for EEG recording, brain stimulation, and ablation solutions for patients suffering from multiple neurological conditions. Next generation electrode technology can potentially perform recording, monitoring, and stimulation with electrodes. It also looks to be minimally invasive with the potential to leverage printed circuit technology or reducing manufacturing costs, procedural costs, and potentially improving patient outcomes. That's really awesome. And they have some product summaries down here. If you guys want to take a look at this real quick, you can pause the video with the Evo, ablation electrode, spinal cord stimulation, deep brain stimulation, down in the concept phase over there. And then it gets a little more in depth about these as well. And I will link this link in the description so you guys can check it out a little bit more in depth for yourself. Always do your own due diligence before investing into a stock. Always make sure you consult with a professional as well. But that's gonna be everything for me in this video. Don't forget to leave a like below, leave a comment, and also subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.